Did you know that you can make sushi with an ice cube tray? So let me show you how it's done. I used stuff that I already had in the fridge and the freezer, but you can actually do whatever that you want. I cut some crab in really tiny pieces and I added some Kewpie to it. Half of the other crab that I had, I don't show it in the video, but I added some spicy mayo. I peeled the cucumber and I also cut it in small little pieces, and you'll see why in a minute. Also sliced an avocado, but very thin layers. Then I wrapped each cavity with either avocado, cucumber, and even roasted seaweed. So then once you did that, you can go ahead and fill up your cavities. So I filled some up with crab, and some I did half crab and half cucumber. I also added some green onions or shallots. Some of them I did fully crab at the bottom. Others I did only salmon at the bottom, or half salmon and half avocado. It's super important not to fill them up all the way at the top. You're going to cover all of them with sushi rice, and you're going to press it down using a spoon, making sure that everything is well compact. By the way, the tray that I bought has a silicone bottom, so try to find something like that because it's going to be way easier to release your sushis. Place your tray onto a board, flip it, and then press all the cavities down. And then gently remove the tray, and then you're going to see all your sushis are going to come out. And then I added my toppings. I did some fried onions, I did some shallots, I also added some spicy mayo, but again, you could have made them however you wanted. I just used stuff that I had in my fridge and my freezer, but you could have done shrimps, you could have done with pineapple, or even with cream cheese. What I liked about this is that I was able to do 10 at a time. It was actually cheaper to make. It was actually the perfect size, and you can make them however you want. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know if you tried it.